Greetings from OmegaCube Technologies. Industrial machinery manufacturing involves creating heavy industrial equipment and engineer-to-order goods across automotive, steel, construction, aerospace and defense, printing, agriculture, mining, power, oil and gas, and precision manufacturing segments. Be it uniquely modeled, commercial machinery for OEMs and mass product manufacturers, or advanced, high-tech machines for niche product manufacturers, or custom-built heavy machines for engineer-to-order manufacturers, each requirement differs from the other. Apart from catering to unique orders, manufacturers also have to ensure that they meet them quickly by keeping their production costs down to a minimum. While the manufacturing industry has shown an upward trend in terms of growth, there are industrial machinery manufacturers who are struggling to do business in the midst of increasing competition and technological advancement. Their survival is subject to volatile global economy and socio-political conditions, market demands, technological progress, raw material costs and availability, competition and much more. The many challenges they face, cost control, labor retention, project management, sales conversion, and lack of efficiency are amongst the largest of them. Often, their immediate response is to cut back on labor and operational costs, shut down underperforming business functions, and shuffle staff across the organization with the hope of increasing efficiency. However, these are short-term fixes, and the problems are still there. To keep up with their peers and overcome market competition, they need to reinvent themselves by adopting technology that will increase their efficiency and reduce costs. At OmegaCube, completely understand industrial machinery manufacturers' nature of operations and their unique requirements to operate efficiently. Our enterprise product, OmegaCube Mrp, is designed to cater to these needs and help them automate their business workflows and manufacturing processes. OmegaCube helps them iron out critical issues related to quotation, project management, logistics, production planning, shop floor, resource management, and service management. For industrial machinery manufacturers, quotation process is a make-or-break phase. The quicker they respond to RFQs with an accurate quoting and cost estimates, the healthier is their bottom line. With OmegaCube's advanced quotation module, manufacturers can quickly track and respond to requests for quotations from a centralized dashboard. They can quickly build accurate quotations based on real-time visibility of multi-level bill of materials, prices from different vendors, material costs, current inventory levels, manpower and machine availability. These quotes can be instantly submitted to customers and tracked. The approved quotes can be instantly converted into sales orders at the click of a button. Comprehensive cost estimates that factor in material pricing, labor costs, operational costs, outside services, vendor commissions, machine maintenance, profit margins, can be easily configured to support customer quotes. Based on these, the overall project profitability can be derived and used as a template for future projects. With OmegaCube's quotation capability, manufacturers can completely eliminate manual data entry on spreadsheets, notepads, physical forms and overcome competition by quickly meeting customers' quotation requirements. Industrial machinery manufacturers deal with a huge magnitude of material procurement and its movement across the entire supply chain. To ensure that they maintain the right amount of inventory and prevent overstocking of raw materials, spare parts and assemblies, they would need a tight control over their inventory management, warehouse management and material requirement planning. OmegaCube's Mrp module helps anticipate material requirements based on existing sales orders and forecasted demand. In case of a shortfall, it triggers auto purchase of materials and outside services from reliable suppliers through a single-click RFQ generation. It also generates work orders for in-house production, sub-assemblies and finished goods, leading to on-time order fulfillment as per the customer due date. OmegaCube provides a robust service and customer management module to ensure that manufacturers are on top of their service and quality management. Customers get a comprehensive service portal to raise service tickets with the manufacturer. They can view their warranty details, past order and service history, service status, shipment history and tracking, invoice and quality management. Service personnel can log inbound service calls directly for customers. Supervisors can schedule service requests and visits on a commonly shared calendar. Tickets can be directly assigned to field personnel based on priority, availability and experience. These tickets can be accessed and updated instantly via handheld tablet and smartphone devices. Field service personnel have instant access to customer data and their equipment service history, enabling them to quickly carry out their tasks and close the tickets. They can enter time and expense information directly for a ticket or a set of tickets. They can scan and attach receipts using their mobile phone or tablet. This information is automatically sent to accounting and can be billed with a single click. It can directly order spare parts from the dealer or pull from stock inventory. Industrial machinery manufacturers work on project basis, as their deployment scale is humongous and takes years to complete. To handle such large-scale projects, they need an effective project management system that can keep track of the costs, task progress and address roadblocks if any. With OmegaCube's project management module, manufacturers can create project tasks, subtasks and assign to specific people. They can easily track and manage due dates, task deadlines and milestones. Budget categories can be assigned directly to individual tasks, tickets, purchases and work orders. Time and expense data can be recorded against each ticket, purchases, manufacturing and outside services. Personnel can perform comprehensive analysis of project profitability, based on actual costs collected from different business areas such as service, engineering, manufacturing and purchasing. OmegaCube combines CAD capabilities and product lifecycle management system directly within the ERP, so that complex designs and specifications can be easily controlled in the design stage itself, and the overall impact of engineering changes on the entire process is minimized. CAD integration ensures appropriate design changes are incorporated via the CAD interface, updated in the ERP, and reflected throughout the product lifecycle stages. In addition, optimum material utilization can be achieved, as personnel have a comprehensive view of the design, material utilization data, and scrap quantity. The designs can be instantly shared with customers and suppliers to ensure total collaboration and transparency. OmegaCube also provides rule-based solution for configure-to-order, make-to-order, assemble-to-order and engineer-to-order environments. Manufacturers can set up their own sequence of questions, screen layouts, and color schemes. They can attach drawings, specifications, and notes to the configured product. They can set up pricing rules for dealers, end users, and discount rules, based on customer types and item types. OmegaCube ERP aids in comprehensive supply chain collaboration, as it can record and track inventory location to the right bin, where the necessary material is kept. It provides complete visibility of suppliers, trading partners along with their performance parameters. Manufacturers can provide complete demand and inventory visibility to their suppliers through self-access portals. This ensures that they can raise sales orders and dispatch materials proactively. Quality compliance improves as they get a complete view of product quality parameters shipped by suppliers. Warehouse management is a breeze, as manufacturers can maintain a master inventory list that includes warehouse information, procurement details, shipping information, quality hold, work center and vendor information. It can be easily integrated with third-party shipping and logistics applications, so that customer shipments can be easily tracked until it reaches the customer. Manufacturers have to ensure that they get a real-time view of shop floor operations at all times. With OmegaCube ERP, they can have a complete view of jobs that are in process, completed or yet to begin on the shop floor. Department schedules can be easily published to the shop floor using electronic dispatch list. Shop floor personnel can view job schedule and priority. View work order assignment, work order status, and location of upcoming jobs. Clock in directly from the dispatch list. Use barcodes, mobile devices or touchscreen interface to report work order information directly into the ERP. Access part drawings, manufacturing instructions from data collection terminal. Input actual time, non-conformance, scrap, setup time, downtime from a single terminal. Print move and completion labels easily. Shop floor console displays work orders that are running on the shop floor, along with other status in color code format. Personnel can also see availability of raw materials for each work order. Integrated scheduling helps determine start and stop times for all assembly and sub-job operations. Personnel have complete visibility of shop floor performance, including efficiency ratios via manufacturing metrics. Thank you for watching this video. You can get in touch with our ERP experts for a detailed demo on OmegaCube ERP for industrial machinery manufacturers. Follow our blog and social media handles for insightful information on manufacturing and ERP technology. Stay tuned.